Hello, I'm Jonathan Morgan, and I'm here to talk to you about one of Flexco's many sanitation solutions for food applications, the FGS Food Grade Secondary Belt Cleaner. There are a few reasons a secondary belt cleaner is important in a food processing environment. The first is carryback. Keeping your belt conveyor system clean is important, and that means removing materials that may stick to the belt. Second, a secondary belt cleaner minimizes cross-contamination concerns, especially if you're running more than one product on the same belt. Product recalls due to cross-contamination are extremely expensive. Flexco's secondary cleaner is made of all FDA-approved materials, including 304 stainless steel hardware and UHMW cleaner blade. One really great feature of the FGS belt cleaner is how easy it is to disassemble and reassemble and adjust the cleaner before and after sanitation. All the hardware you need to install the cleaner on site is included with installation brackets pre-assembled in the kit. The cleaner shaft bar blades are designed to be cut to your specific application. Additionally, the design of the cleaner ensures minimal crevices, smooth surfaces, and a polished finish that prevents the harboring of bacteria. The cleaning blade is centered on the bar and snapped into position with a simple twist of the hand. The FGS is durable and compatible with endless, mechanically fastened, as well as plastic modular belts. The FGS is available with a choice of blue, white, and metal detectable UHMW or dual durometer blades. It features a self-adjusting spring-loaded tensioner for easy maintenance checks from the operator or equipment side of the belt. For more information on Flexco's belt cleaners, visit flexco.com.